Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, September 19th of 2018. We are halfway through the week, so great job, everybody. So let's keep pressing forward and doing the best that we possibly can for the remainder of the week. Just a reminder for staff that all announcements now are on Canvas, and actually I have now added all the support personnel, so paraprofessionals, office staff, and any certified staff who are not receiving or able to access the Canvas site now can. So everything you should be able to access through Canvas. That'll be something that will be growing as we kind of work through the next couple of months as a one place that you can find a lot of information at. For September birthdays for today we have a couple of them. So we have Trayden Walklin, happy birthday to you, and then Sarah Puckett. So Sarah, I know you told me that your birthday was yesterday, so happy birthday to both of you. For our lunch choices, we have grilled cheese and tomato soup, chicken patty sandwich, and also Italian sub, along with tater tots, and mix of different vegetables such as celery sticks or romaine lettuce, and mix of fruits such as apples, bananas, pears, or raisins. And of course, milk are there. We do have some examples of paws which some students came up with today, so we'll go ahead and play those.
Okay, for our pause for today, boys and girls, we have a couple different examples of having positive attitude and showing respect.
Do not push anybody when they're playing on the playground. Don't push them just to get your own turn. And don't talk when other people are talking. Help somebody out when they fall.
Those are great examples of all about being not just a great person, but also showing pause at the same time. So, boys and girls, those are great things, so keep remembering your pause as you're outside for recess or any other areas.
All right, great examples, girls. Thank you very much. Of course, we had a little bit of sass in that one, it seems like. But hopefully everyone listens to their words, and basically their message is very clear. So at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing and your hands over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, girls. Thank you so much for helping out with the announcements and our Pledge of Allegiance today. And boys and girls, remember, it is up to you today to make the good choices. Make sure that you make some great decisions today. Make sure you help out a friend if they need to. So let's be a great friend, a great student, and a great help today here at Perry Elementary. Have a wonderful day.